And I had to ask myself, I says, what is my value? And then I'm starting to look around and I'm realizing that nobody's answering that question. Oh, we got a good culture. Okay, I got it. But if you really want to know what agents value, follow their money.
100%.
Follow their money. Now, you and I have participated in lead programs, still participate in lead programs. We spend money on leads. Lots of agents spend money on leads. That's why there's companies out there like the Realtor.coms, the Zillows, all these lead aggregators, is because there's a lot of agents that see value in leads. That's where the money goes. There's a lot of agents that see value in coaching. There's millions of dollars going out on coaching products and coaching programs. There's millions of dollars going out in marketing services and transaction services. So if you look at probably the 4 areas where the most money is spent from a real estate agent, it's leads, coaching, marketing, and transaction management / assistance. So when I looked at that and I said, that's the top 4 areas where everyone's spending money, then my value of a brokerage to an agent is I must provide the leads, I must provide the coaching, I must provide the transaction management and the marketing services. And as long as I do that, I provide the value, then I'm still relevant.